Can I install APK on Roku?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we're addressing a common question. Can you install an APK on a Roku device? APK files, for those who don't know, are Android package files, the format that Android uses for its apps. So, let's dive into it.
What is Roku and APK?
To fully understand our main topic, we need to briefly go over what Roku and APK are. Roku is a series of streaming players that offer a more convenient and cost-effective way to watch TV. Simply connect it to your television, connect to the internet, set up a Roku account, and start streaming your favorite shows. On the other hand, an APK, Android Package Kit, is the package file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps and middleware.
Can APK be installed on Roku?
Here's where things get tricky. Roku does not support the Android operating system, meaning you can't directly install APK files. Roku runs its own operating system called Roku OS. It's not based on Android, so it doesn't have the capability to run APK files. Instead, Roku uses channels, which you can think of like apps on Android or iOS. These channels are available directly from the Roku Channel Store.
What are the alternatives?
So, we've determined that you can't directly install an APK file on Roku. What can you do instead? Screen mirroring is your answer. If you have Android apps that you want to use on your TV, you can mirror your Android screen to the Roku. This way, you can use your Android apps on your TV screen through your Roku device. However, it's important to note that the performance may not be as smooth as running the app directly on the device. So, to wrap it all up, while you can't directly install APKs on a Roku device, you can use screen mirroring to cast Android apps onto your Roku-connected TV. Always remember to use this feature responsibly, ensuring you respect app developers and content creators' rights. Happy streaming!